Welcome back, guys. So today we decided to go quadding, but one problem today, we had a few extra guys and not enough quads. So I built a little trailer so I can haul Mitchie around. Look at this truck taking trailer out, it's pretty mint. Got a good old shopping cart here, put some foam in it, mounted it to a trailer. It's pretty mint. I built this myself. I'm an engineer. And when I was building this, I had the safety thoughts of what Mitch's mom would think about this. So I added a couple extra beads of weld on there. Safe. All right. Well, Mitch, you ready?
Born ready.
Fucking let's hop on in, bud. Oh yeah, we got the stack back. Lock yourself in there, bud. Oh, he's got to put on his little mittens. Don't want his head getting cold. All in. Good to go? Let's go. Why was I getting wet? Man, you want some zip ties or something? Oh yeah! That's gonna fall out.
No, we're locked in place.
Dude, that's deep! Now, how's the waders working out for you?
I mean, my butt's a little wet. Kind of went back down there.
Alright, you ready for the next puddle?
Let's give her. I would recommend everybody try this. It's a new P&E ride from Vancouver.
Should we go hit some more shit?
Yeah,
Oh, you know it.
Let's go.
right till the batteries go out.
Well, Mitch, was that fun?
I would rate it a 9.9 on the Yelp review of best thing to do in Vancouver.
If you guys want to check out my website and book your ride today, no, I'm just kidding. I don't have a website or anything like that. If you guys like this video here, guys, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you guys haven't already. And you guys want, check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, guys.